Hello everyone, this is Supreet and this video is about the workspaces that we have very recently introduced. The workspaces basically allow you to organize your boards in various meaningful groups, which is what we call workspaces. So the first thing that you will notice is the boards are now called workspaces. And when you click on the workspaces option, if you are doing this for the first time, you will get this option called introducing workspaces and you need to click on the let's get started button. Once you do that, the system will automatically move all your existing boards into one workspace, and then you can go ahead and create new workspaces and move the boards into various workspaces according to your needs. So let's see how that is done. Let's click on the let's get started button and wait for a while. Depending upon however many boards you have, it may take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. When it is done, it will reload your application and you will see that your existing boards are now shown under a default workspace. The default workspace name is based on your account name. So for example, in this video, the account name is Territas. That's where the default workspace name is Territas. You can collapse the workspace like that and you see the number of boards available in that workspace. In order to create a new workspace, you can click on the new workspace option against the workspaces, give it a name. You can upload a logo, which is optional. You can give it a description again, that is also optional. And once you do that, you'll see that the new workspace is created. So I'm going to go ahead and create a few more just for the testing. Once I have created the workspace, I can now move the 64 boards I have within the first workspace, the default workspace, from the default workspace into any of the other workspaces. So let's see how to do that. In order to move the existing boards from one workspace to another, again click on the context menu and click on manage boards in workspaces. Now this small utility that we have created allows you to move the existing boards from one workspace to another, and using it is very simple. Just select the destination workspace on the right hand side and select the board that you want to move from Territas to test board workspace in this case, and click on the top arrow. Clicking on the top arrow moves the selected board from the left workspace to the right workspace. Let's do a few more. You can also double click on a board to move it from the left workspace to the right workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and move a few of them from the Territas workspace to the test boards. Once I'm done, I can also reorder these using the buttons available on the extreme right side and on the extreme left hand side options. So if I want this board to be on the top of the list, I can go ahead and select that and click on the right hand side buttons to reorder them in the destination workspace. When I'm done, I can simply click on save and you will see that there are now 49 boards in Territas workspace and the remaining 15 have moved to the test board workspace. Similarly, you can move the existing boards from one workspace to another and rearrange them as per your choice. Now these options of creating workspaces and moving boards across the workspaces is available based on certain permissions. By default, it is only available to the admin users of your accounts. But if you want to give this permission to other users, it is possible, and you can do that via the administration roles. Go to the user role. For example, you want to give the permission to the users. Click on permissions and over here you will see the workspaces and the corresponding permissions. You can pick and select the permissions you want to give to the user role and click on OK. Now the users will also be able to create the workspaces, move the boards across these workspaces. You can also organize the boards within a workspace by dragging and dropping them. It's very simple. Click and hold any of the board that you want to move around within the workspace. and just drop it wherever you want and it will be moved. Similarly, you can also drag and drop a board as a subboard within an existing board as well. If you drop a board on top of another board, it will allow you to create that as a subboard. Similarly, a subboard can also be moved outside of a parent board to make it as a parent board as well. So drag and drop allows you to organize the boards within a workspace, but if you want to move the boards across the workspaces, then you need to use the option called manage boards within workspaces. I hope this helps. If in case of any queries or if you need any help, feel free to chat with us. Thank you very much.